I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin now. Make sure the display reads ODO, then press and hold the trip/reset button. While holding it, turn the key to the on position, do not start the engine, and keep steady pressure. You are doing this because the car's ECU waits for that button signal to clear the maintenance counter. Once the control unit detects the continuous input, it prepares to accept the reset command. Stay focused. The next step completes the actual clearing. Once done holding the button with the key on, watch the odometer until it cycles to all zeros or the maintenance light blinks out. This is the signal that the ECU accepted the reset. When you see that, release the button and turn the key to OFF for a few seconds, then restart the car to confirm the lamp stays off. This sequence forces the stored interval to 0, so the next service reminder begins anew from mileage 0. You finish by validating the reset. Start the engine and confirm the dashboard lamp is out. If the light remains, repeat the precise press and turn procedure once more with firm, continuous pressure. Sometimes timing needs a perfect hold. If it still persists, use an OBD-ROMAN2 scanner to check for stored fault codes or disconnect the negative battery terminal for 10-15 minutes as a last resort. Remember, you only clear reminders. You must fix real faults before relying on a cleared light.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.